problem solution, and the teacher asked us to do it within 6 minutes. So I'm trying if I can do that. So let's start. Good morning, everyone. My name is Didi. Do you know, no matter how different we are, we have the same symptom. It is caused by a thief who comes silently during the class and takes out all of our energy, enthusiasm, and patience. Even worse, the thief steals out all the possibility of learning we will get from our professors. Can you guess what it is? It's called the sleeping insect, which will cause us feel sleepy during the class. Today, we will be learning 3 facts about dozing off during the class, including the causes, how it influences people, and how to avoid it. Now, let we start by looking at what causes people to doze off during the class. There are 3 main causes. First, because people stay up late last night, so easily they feel sleepy in the next day. Second, people do not get enough nutrition from the food they eat. They eat junk food instead of vegetables and rice, and drink sugar beverages instead of water. Third, people do not do enough exercise in their life. All of these 3 factors have one thing in common, which will make us less of oxygen. Once we have little oxygen, we will be easily to doze off during the class. Because sleeping, nutrition, and exercise are the main energy for our body to create oxygen for us. After we know what causes people to doze off during the class, let me turn to how it influences people. They have 3 bad effects. First one, people will miss out the important information from the teacher. Because when they just doze off during the class, they can follow on the teacher's step, and it will then reflect on the bad grade of their exam. Second, it will have bad influences on people's interpersonal relationship. People who frequently doze off during the class will have less willingness to cooperate with others. So, because sleeping atmosphere will decrease the morale of the group, and others notice their unwillingness, they will dislike to interact with them. Third, people will start to complain how boring the class is. Because during each class they feel sleepy, gradually they will feel lazy to join the class. And moreover, they will misjudge the teacher because they will think it's the teacher's problem who makes them feel sleepy. Now that we know how dozing off during the class influences people negatively, I will provide 3 useful solutions regarding how to avoid dozing off during the class. First thing we can do is having plenty time of resting. According to the Chinese medicine, our liver's resting time is from 11 o'clock p.m. to 3 o'clock a.m. During these 4 hours, our liver helps our body eliminating the toxic substance. And if it gets enough rest, it will then create enough oxygen for us to use. Another thing we can do is eat healthily and adequately. Have 1 boiled egg, and there are 3 ways we can do. Have 1 boiled egg for breakfast, because eggs have the higher nutrition and it can also be absorbed by humans easily. And eggs can also improve our recollection. Second, eat enough food for each meal. Try to have basic 3 meals and do not skip breakfast. Bear in mind, Vegetables and fruits must be included in the at least one meal per day. And third, drink water instead of sugar beverages. There are two proper times for us to drink water. Have a cup of warm water before we eat our breakfast. And drink 3 times of water during a class. And third thing we can do, and last but not least, the third thing we can do is to do regular exercise. Try to find one exercise you love and keep doing that 3 times a week. For each time, do it 60 minutes. After we understand how we can do to enhance our oxygen, and which can avoid us from dozing off during the class, our investigation is complete. After my presentation, I believe now all of us are clear about what causes dozing off during a class, how it influences people, and how to avoid it. Without a doubt, sleep thieves are annoying, hateful, and miserable. Sleeping insect is our daily thief. Now, face it. And now face it. If we do well, shall we not escape from the disaster it gives us? And if we do not well, until we shall be its desire, and we shall rule over it. Thank you for your listening. I think I'm more than 6 minutes. May God bless me.